In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate speech with Google Translate. By the end, you will know how to speak in one language and instantly see the translation in another, right in your browser. First, open Google Translate in your web browser. Any modern browser works, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type translate.google.com and press Enter. The Google Translate page loads with two main boxes side by side. On the left, you will see the original language box, and on the right, you will see the translated language box. Above each box, there is a row of language names, and between the boxes, you will notice small icons for swapping languages and copying text. Seeing those two boxes means you are on the correct page. Once the page is open, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. A small pop-up usually appears near the top of the window, asking if the site can access your microphone. Click Allow to grant access. Without this permission, the microphone icon on the page will not be able to capture your speech. If you accidentally click Block, the microphone will either not respond or show an error message. In that case, you need to change the permission later in your browser settings, then refresh the page so Translate can hear you correctly. Now select the source language. This is the language you are going to speak. Look at the box on the left and click the language name at the top. A long list of languages appears. You can scroll through this list or start typing the language name in the search field to narrow it down. Click the correct language once you find it, and it appears at the top of the left box. When the source language matches how you plan to speak, Google Translate can recognize your words more accurately. Next, select the target language. This is the language you want to see and hear the translation in. Move to the box on the right and click its language name at the top. Again, you will see the list of available languages. Choose the language that you want to translate into. After you click it, the new language appears above the right box. A helpful tip here, some languages also support audio playback, so later you may see a small speaker icon under the translated text for those. With the languages ready, click the microphone icon under the left text box. The icon usually sits in the lower left corner of that box. When you click it, the icon often changes color or shape, and you might see a message like listening. That visual change confirms that Google Translate is now waiting for your voice. If nothing changes when you click, check again that microphone permission is allowed and the correct input device is active. Now speak clearly into your microphone. Use a normal pace and avoid covering your microphone with your hand. It often helps to pause briefly between sentences so the service can process each phrase. As you speak, you should see text appear in the left box, matching your spoken words. At almost the same time, translated text appears in the right box. For many language pairs, you may also hear a spoken version of the translation through your speakers or headphones. After you finish speaking, click Stop. The microphone icon returns to its idle state, and the listening message disappears. The text in both boxes stays on screen, so you can read it, copy it, or play it again if audio is available. Nothing is recorded further once you stop, so you can safely plan your next phrase before starting again. So now you have learned how to open Google Translate in your browser and turn your spoken words into text translated into another language. If this helped you get your speech translated smoothly, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more quick how-to guides like this.